Welcome to growing your own food in your own backyard. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the like button. I am really impressed with this raised bed that I just purchased this spring. It is awesome. It's right next to my kitchen. This is my herb garden. It is self-watering, so as you can see, I can put water in this little tube, and then when the little bubble comes up to the top, it lets me know that the reservoir is full of water and I don't have to worry about coming out here watering every day when the temperature gets hot. The other nice thing about this particular raised bed is during the cool nights, I was able to lower this, and it has a zipper. It has a zipper to insulate. But now that the temperatures have been getting warm, this is my eastern exposure, so it only gets the morning. It stays cool because these are my cool season crops. So as you can see, I have spinach over here that I need to harvest. So I'm going to go ahead and start harvesting this spinach because it is actually dinner time, and I should go ahead and make a salad. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest the spinach, and then this here is my lemon balm. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab this like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and just cut it down, and then the same way with this one. As you can see, it's gotten pretty tall. So again, I'm just going to grab it and just cut it down. And this is my third harvest, believe it or not. My sage, I really cut back this sage. Again, this is my third harvest on the sage, and oh my God, the fragrance on this sage is amazing. People who have never had fresh sage didn't even realize how beautiful it is in a salad. I don't even dry it. I just put it in my salad, and it just adds such flavor to your salad. It's just lovely to be able to have fresh herbs to put in the salad. So I'm cutting back most of the large leaves, and then I'm going to continue cutting my spinach. And this is an organic Bloomdale spinach, and I started this from seed April of 2019. So let me continue getting the rest of this spinach. This has just been beautiful because I just came out of the kitchen and decided, oh, I need to do salad. So now I need to harvest my kale. So over here is my kale, which I'm going to harvest. Now what I've been having to do is put a mesh screen over my kale to keep that white butterfly from landing on my kale, because at this is the time of the year where they are looking for any vegetation that's in the Brassic family so that they could lay their eggs on our vegetation, and I don't want to deal with that. So I put a mesh screen over the kale only, just the kale only. That's the only thing that they're more interested in, but it's actually being planted next to the sage and the lemon balm, so I'm thinking that could also be a deterrent to keep the butterflies away from this kale. But my kale is fresh, it's not bolting yet, thank goodness. I think the strategic place where I put this kale, this raised bed, is keeping the kale cool. This is a northern exposure, and then it's only getting the morning sun. So I have been harvesting this kale for the last 2 months, and it's been healthy. And then over here, this is the arugula. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest this arugula. I'm just going to go ahead and just grab it like this and cut it. But I want to leave some, oh God, I can just smell it. It's just absolutely beautiful. God, the fragrance coming off this arugula is beautiful. Oh, it's really, really strong. And I have to keep this harvest so I can keep it growing back, and I don't want it to get bitter. Okay, so I have harvested my arugula, and I've harvested my kale, and I've harvested my lemon balm, and I've harvested my spinach and my sage. So now the next thing I need to do is add water to my raised bed so that the next 4 or 5 days our temperature is going to be in the 80s, and I want to be able to make sure that it's getting water. So this is my harvest. So I have arugula, kale, spinach, lemon balm, all ready for dinner. So this is amazing. And just was able to step outside to my patio and just get fresh herbs. And this is the beauty of growing your own food. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button. And the next episode, I've got to harvest my buttercup lettuce. It has gotten so big. So I'm going to be doing that tomorrow for our next batch of salad for dinner tomorrow. Thank you for watching.